Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to focus on conditional statements in Excel, or quite commonly called conditional formatting. So maybe you're very confused with conditional formatting or conditional statements. What are they? They are the same. It's exactly the same. In Excel, the official term is conditional formatting. This series, or this part of the video, is a very short video. I will go very quickly through the point with this video. If you want to go deeper, check out my other videos that goes more deeper. This one is just designed for people who just want to know the answer fast. So what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting basically helps you to give a color design or a design or font adjustment on something if a value is true. And you can give it also a color design if a value is not true, or it will analyze data based on colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to make here this one. You can see here the yes and no. And this is a formula that we did in one of our previous videos. However, what we want to do now is that the value here, yes, should be green. And if we don't hit our target of this, so let's change this here. If it becomes a no, it should become red. How to do this? Very fast. Well, step one. Click here on conditional formatting. Once you click on this, you have all the options to create all kind of rules. And let's highlight the cell rules. We have here some options, and what we want here is a text that contains. Click on this, and you can see here you can change the complete design of it. What we want to do here is we want a format only of cells that contains a certain specific text. In this case, yes, containing. Let's say no, and if it's no, we have here the option to give it all kind of designs, or you want your own custom design. Let's click on that, and what I will do is I will say clear up everything. I'm going to clear up all the designs. You can see this background. We just clear it up, and all I want is a nice red color here, and I make it bold. Click OK, and there you are. So you can see now it's red. So what happens if we're going down with a target and we hit our target? It's yes. So let's do exactly the same, but then for the green. Click here, go back to highlight cells, and if the text that contains, you can see here contains specific text. This is yes, and in that case we give it a nice green design. Custom format. I will clear all the designs that we have here, like the preset designs, not necessary. Make it green, make it bold. Okay, and confirm. There you are. So you can see this is the way how to do it. And if you say, well, is it because of this formula of the if statement? No. Let's remove that. You can see nothing is here. If you put in 1, nothing happens. But if you type in yes, it becomes green. If you say no, it becomes red. So basically it just will analyze if the cell contains any kind of value that it should give a color. And that's really it. So this is how to do it. If you want to go more deeper, check out my other videos. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course. Or if you have a question, or you want to know something more about Excel, just post a comment and I will get back to you.